Hello my dear friend. Okay, now let me show you the first station. Yeah, the helmet mounted. You can see we prepared 4 pieces. The night vision goggles and helmet bracket and a soft head support. Yeah, and also with the model. You can see. Okay, now let me show you. At first, put the bracket on the soft head support. Yeah, and also you just print this button. Yeah, okay, and then put inside this part like that. It is very easy. Yeah, okay, now let me show you how to adjust. At first, yeah, you can adjust this button, yeah, to adjust the distance up and down. Okay, and this button like that can adjust the angle about the night vision goggles and your ear. Okay, and next, yeah, this button can adjust the distance from your ear and to the earpieces distance. Yeah, okay, and when you don't want to use it, just flip up the night vision goggles. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, thank you.